In this video, I'm going to explain how to unlock the gate at Vertigo in Fish inside Roblox. So, in case you're standing at the front of that door and you want to open them but you can't, here's what you need to do, and you'll have to do two things. The first thing is you will have to have 100% complete Vertigo bestiary, okay? So in case you haven't caught all the fish, which by the way, there's 18 different fish, so if you haven't caught all of these in Vertigo, you won't be able to open the door. That's the first thing. And the second one is you will need a depths key. It's called the depths key. And you can fish for the depths key in a strange whirlpool or anywhere inside Vertigo. Now, keep in mind that those keys are a legendary item and they can be resistance when you're reeling them in, okay? They can be resistant, so just be cautious and be sure to use a fishing rod, for example, like the steady rod, to help with that, okay? Which is very important because once you finally get it, it would be a shame to not obtain it because of its resistance. Now, as soon as you have the key and you have completed the Vertigo bestiary, you can go through the door to the depths, okay? So that's pretty much it. That's how you unlock the gate at Vertigo inside Fish inside Roblox. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.